Hello friends, I am Dr. S.M. Bhatti. The objective of today's video is to solve linear differential equation with constant coefficients by using shortcut method. We have solved two examples on shortcut method in last video. Let's solve third example. The differential equation has a type phi d y equal f of x. Here phi d is d cube plus d and fx is cos x. The given differential equation is linear differential equation with constant coefficients. AE, that is auxiliary equation, is phi d equals 0, that is d cube plus d equals 0. Between these two terms d is a common, and here we have to factorize d square plus 1. Apply the formula a square plus b square is equal to a minus ib into a plus ib. Role of a square is played by d square and role of b square is played by 1. That is a is a d and b is a 1. So factors for d square plus 1 became d minus I, d plus I. And now we obtain three roots 0 and plus minus I. This is a cubic equation and it has three roots. Out of three roots, 0 is a real and distinct. So for 0 we have a first term in complementary function as c1 e raised to this 0 into x. Remaining two are complex roots or imaginary roots or the roots of the type alpha plus minus I beta. Alpha is 0 and beta is 1, and so using case 3 we can write down c2 cos x plus c3 sin x. This is the formula for pi. Put the value of phi d and put the value of fx. Here phi d is dq plus d, right in denominator, and fx is cos x, right here. Now the operator 1 by dq plus d is acting on cos x. This step has a type 1 by pi d cos of ax plus b. That is type 2. A is a 1 and b is a 0. And you know, in this type you have to replace d square by minus a square. A is a 1, so a square became 1 and minus a square became minus 1. That means now we have to replace d square by minus a square, that is d square by minus 1. But here d square is not available, but we can bring d square. If we write d cube as a d square into d square will available. Now replace this d square by minus 1. Now we have to replace this d square by minus 1. Keep d and constant terms as they are. You can see that between d square and d there is a multiplication. So when you replace d square by minus 1, then also between minus 1 and d there is a multiplication. So the first term in the denominator became plus d, and this minus d, and second term is plus d. That means 1 divided by minus d plus d, that is 1 over 0. And you know, when we find 1 by 0, that means formula fails and we have to write next formula. And to write next formula we must write x, and now we have to write down new operator. This is new operator. And how to write new operator? From old operator. First we have written x, then we have to write new operator from old operator. And how to write that? You have to change denominator by its derivative. Here denominator is dq plus d, so its derivative is 3d square plus 1, and you have to retain this function as it is. Now x is here we have a new operator, and this new operator acts on cos x. Cos x has same type, cos of x plus b type, and a is a 1, b is a 0. So minus a square became minus 1, and you have to change d square by minus 1. Now here is a d square, and this d square should be changed by minus 1. See now, this d square has been changed by minus 1. You can see that between 3 and d square there is a multiplication. So between 3 and minus 1 there is a multiplication. You have changed d square by minus 1. We have kept the constant as it is. Even we have kept the function as it is. Now the denominator became minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. And in this way we obtain pi. And the complete solution is y is CF plus pi. Now you put the value of CF and put the value of pi here, and this actually forms solution for the given linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Let's solve fourth example. You can see that this fourth example present in standard form phi d y equal f of x, that is linear differential equation with constant coefficient, that is LDE with double C. A is a phi d equal 0, that is d cube minus 9d equal 0. Between these two terms you can take d common. What is left in bracket? D square minus 9, and the factors for d square minus 9 are d minus 3, d plus 3, and hence roots became 0, 3, minus 3. 0 is a real and distinct, so that contribute only C1, and 3 and minus 3 are real. 3 and minus 3 are also real and distinct, so we have two more terms. In fact, we have cubic equation. It has 3 roots. All roots are distinct and real, so this will be Cm. This is the formula for pi. Put the respective value of phi d and fx. Now apply linear property. To being constant, take outside the operator. So we have taken 2 outside the operator, and this operator now act on cos h3x. You can see that this cos h3x is a hyperbolic function, and it has a type. This cos h3x has a type cos h ax plus b type, and here a became 3. If a is a 3, then a square became 9, right? And what is method here? You have to replace d square by 9, because this is a hyperbolic function, and you have to replace d square by minus d square by a square plus a square, that is here we have to replace d square by 9. But here d square is not available, so we write this d cube as d square into d, as we have made in last example also. And now in next step you replace this d square by 9 and keep this d as it is, and keep this d term as it is. You know, in this type we have to replace d square by a square, keep d and constant terms as it is. So we find here first term, when we replace d square by 9, when we keep d as it is, between them there is a product, so the first term actually contribute 9d, second term remains as it is. So we obtain here 1 by 0. 1 by 0, that means formula fails. And when the formula fails, we have to use new operator. We have to apply, we have to write new formula. So first we have to write x, but then you write new operator. This is new operator, and this new operator is written from old operator by changing denominator by its derivative. Here denominator is d cube minus 9d, its derivative is 3d square minus 9, and the function retain, because we obtain here 1 by 0, so formula fails. We have written x, we have written new operator and same function as present in the previous step. But don't forget this 2, because 2 is before 1 by 0. So before x you must write 2. Now here again d square, replace d square by a square, that is d square by 9. You can see that this 3 into d square, right? This d square became, because you have to put d is 9, so here 3 into 9, so it is 27. 3 into 9 means 27. 27 minus 9, so 27 minus 9 became 18. Fine. So like this we have obtained here this pi. And adding CF and pi, we can get the solution, complete solution for the given differential equation. Let's see now next example. So this is your next example, and it has standard type, and this is a and here direct factorization is not working. So using formula method we have obtained complex roots -1 plus minus I. From it we have written CF. Now pi is 1 over 5d, act on fx. Fx is here x cube minus 4x. Here fx contain how many terms? fx contain here 2 terms, and both terms have the type x raised to m. So as per a procedure, we have to take lowest degree term of 5d as a common. So among the 3 terms, 2 is the lowest degree term, so take 2 common. So when you take 2 common, the denominator changes like this, and here now you need to apply the formula. At this stage, this has the type, this has the type. Now 1 divided by 1 plus a type. This has the type 1 divided by a type. Okay, and now you expand this. Here role of a is played by d square plus 2d plus 2, and expand this, and expanding we have this step. Okay, now calculate, now consider this quantity. To find d of this means derivative of this, it is this. Again apply d on both sides, we obtain this. Again apply d on both sides, we obtain this. Again apply d on both sides, we obtain 0. You can see that derivative of x cube minus 4x is this. Again apply d on both sides. That means I take another derivative, one more derivative. As the fourth derivative of this quantity is 0, that means we have to neglect the term containing d raised to 4, d raised to 5, d raised to 6 and higher powers of the d. So when you actually expand, you will find this. Take cube, take square. Okay. Now we have to neglect the terms containing d raised to 4, d raised to 5 and d raised to 6. So this is a term containing d raised to 4, neglect. This contain d raised to 6, this contain d raised to 5, this contain d raised to 4. So neglect these terms and collect the like terms together, we find this. Now take term wise action, means one act on this bracket, then second term act on the same bracket, and 1 by 2 d square act on same bracket, and using above values. Now use these values here in second term and third term. Simplify this, we obtain pi, and put this value of pi here, we can get the complete solution. And this is the reference for our material, and thank you very much. So today we have solved 3 examples using shortcut method. We have obtained the complete solution for linear differential equation with constant coefficients by using shortcut method. Thank you very much.